Hey, it's Jeffrey Howells, carpet cleaning here. I'm just here with a quick FYI. I get asked all the time whenever I clean carpets or I'm cleaning an area rug or whatever. The number one question that a customer asks is how long will it take my carpets to dry? Right now we're kind of in the dead of winter here in the Pacific Northwest. It is pretty much temperate most of the time. We're probably only around 40 to upper 30s most of the time during the winter. It does drop down to the teens and possibly single digits once in a blue moon or whatever, but when it comes to carpet cleaning, it really has to do with air movement and the evaporation that you're able to generate in a room. Now, looking at Mother Nature and seeing how water evaporates off of 40-degree ocean water, you really have two things in play. You've got air temperature for evaporation, and then you also have things like air movement and winds and all that sort of stuff. So typically between 70 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, that is when the skies and air is pretty much containing the higher amount of humidity. Evaporation is still occurring, but it's just not occurring as quickly as if the temperatures were below 70 or above 80 degrees. At that point, evaporation is actually happening faster because there is less moisture in the air. So really, when you think about it, it sounds counterintuitive and kind of backwards, but in this sort of condition and 40 degrees with some fans on area rugs, these rugs are actually going to dry much more quickly than if they were sitting in a garage in the middle of summer. I know that sounds really funny, but that is kind of the science behind how evaporation and all that actually happens. So basically, for you guys who are cleaning carpets, it's creating an environment that's inducive of evaporation. So that's really the answer to the customer's question as how long it's going to take. When you think about a basement, of course the carpets in the basement are going to take longer to dry because there's less airflow. The whole point of a basement is to make it airtight so that water and things like that aren't leaking into the basement. So with that as well is that there's not going to be any airflow down there. So putting up a fan or turning on bathroom fans or even air circulation, a fan in the house would greatly accelerate that drying process. So just an FYI, I hope the tip helps, and if you have any comments or concerns about that, please sure to put them down. And if I have misspoken and said something wrong, let me know, and I will do some research and try to correct my errors. Thank you very much. Have a great day.